Okay. So this is my low carb tortillas. I bought them from where? Costco. They have my Costco. And y'all, when it comes to avocados, I always buy avocados, but I also always forget to eat avocados. Can you relate? Like, comment down below if you can relate, because I seriously want to know that I'm not indifferent. All right, so I always feel the avocados to see which one is more ripe. I think this one is definitely more ripe, so I'm gonna eat that one now. My mom bought this sunflower and olive oil mix, and I'm pretty sure there's like 98% sunflower, 2% olive oil. I gotta be careful when you're buying oils because you have to read the ingredient. The ingredient should just be the pure oil itself. But let me go ahead and start prepping, and yeah, enjoy my little clip of me making lunch. Salt. I'm gonna do this. It's basically Maggi in my culture, which is the Haitian culture. I love using this. So I'm basically just squishing it up a bit inside of here. Okay, so I covered up the meat and I turned the stove off. So all it's doing is just like simmering, getting all the good juices melted together. It's gonna be delectable. But now I'm gonna get my tortilla wrap. I'm gonna microwave 2 of them. And y'all, don't let me forget my avocado, okay? I need to eat this. Ooh, I'm excited to eat. I don't think y'all understand how hungry I am. It's about to be 2. And I haven't put anything in my mouth since I woke up except for like water. So I am hungry to say the least, baby. I get the ones at the bottom. Maybe like 30 seconds will be good. Perfect. Okay, so for my toppings, I'm gonna have lettuce, avocado, and that's pretty much it. By the way, oh, look at how good that looks. Oh my god. You can eat this with pasta, you can eat it with white rice, with a lot of stuff actually, boiled plantains. Like, look at how good. Let me just show y'all. Look at how good that looks, y'all. And the flavor is there. That's what I put in there. It's a bit spicy too. And I love that I made a lot because I'm gonna have leftovers for whenever I'm busy and I don't feel like cooking, you feel me? So I need to start doing that more, and that's exactly what we started. All right, cool, let's start plating. Make sure I get a good amount of veggies of this on here. Woo, that's like the perfect scoop. I should have bought some spinach yesterday while I was at Target, but I forgot, y'all. All right, now I'm gonna cut my avocado. I hope it's pretty. Okay. Bro, that looks amazing. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This looks so freaking good. This might be too much avocados, but it's okay. I know what would make this so delicious. I'm so happy. So it is feta crumbs, and I actually really like feta cheese. It gives food just that little extra pop, you feel me? So this is gonna be good. I do want to say this is my cheese, so nobody ever goes in it. So baby, let me do what I gotta do, okay? I love what I hate. Okay, so are y'all ready to see what it looks like officially? Okay, let me show y'all this. Oh my god. Just imagine all the veggies. Don't forget about the veggies that are in the ground turkey, not even ground beef, baby. We healthy. This looks so freaking good and I'm so freaking happy and I'm gonna taste it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm not gonna taste it standing up. What I look like? Girl, I'm about to sit down. Yo, ooh, what's wrong with y'all? Okay, so place it right here. Y'all can't even see it. That's okay. It ain't your food. It's my food. So this is the coconut water. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna drink like half of it because I don't want to drink all of it. But yeah, I'm gonna taste the food and let y'all know my final thoughts. Ready, set. Oh my god, the spicy. I'm getting the spicy now. Okay, listen to me. You just watched me make that, okay? And I'm so happy I got it on camera because this is busted. This is so freaking good. If you guys want to make some lunch or y'all don't know what to make, definitely make this because it's fire. But I'm going to talk to y'all later when it's dinner time or snack time, whichever. Okay, y'all, quick disclaimer. I'm editing this video and I realized I did not mention what happened. So I made lunch, as you guys just seen, and for dinner I ended up having some leftovers of the ground turkey meat along with some cauliflower pizza. Now typically on a regular day I don't eat too many snacks, or like I just don't eat too many things, and I noticed that a lot in this video. So basically all I ate was the tacos, more of the taco meat, and some cauliflower crust pizza. So what I'm gonna do now, because I showed you guys a lunch option, I'm gonna show you guys a breakfast option and a snack option that I would normally go for. But for dinner I would either have tacos or like brown rice with veggies and chicken or meats. Just, it varies a lot. So if you want another one of these videos that is a bit more structured, let me know. But yeah, that was my lunch slash dinner, and now I'm gonna show you guys a breakfast that I normally make and also a snack that I normally eat. So yeah, that's what's happening. Okay. You hear me? I have a little bit of blueberries in mine. It's really good, y'all.